Hey guys, it's Bluegill from the server. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how you would install and configure Visual Studio. So first we're going to go to your favorite internet browser. We're going to type in Visual Studio 2019. Going to go ahead and click the first link. Going to click the free download of the community version, not the professional, just the community version. It should install automatically while I browse what's going on here. We're going to click Save File. And we're going to open that up real quick. And then we're going to press Continue here. So this is just going to install real quick. I think I edited it. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So you're going to probably end up around here. What you're going to want to do is select Desktop Development with C++. And you don't need to do Universal Windows Platform Development. That was just something I did optionally, but definitely do Desktop Development with C++. That's the only workload that you need. You're going to notice it's a pretty big file, so you should definitely check if you have enough hard drive space before you download this. Another thing is you can't change the default download of this shared components, tools, and SDKs section. So if you have multiple hard drives like I do and one of them is very low, you won't be able to fix that. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and press install, and this will take substantially longer to download, but just go ahead and click that start after installation button and leave your computer alone for a couple minutes or a couple hours, depending on your internet speed. All right, cool. Now that that's done downloading, you're going to be presented with this screen. I kind of jump skipped past changing your color theme, but just click dark and trust me. So we're going to create new project here, and we're going to search for C++ and click empty project. It's important that you do empty project. That way there's no starting code and you can just get going. So you press next. Name it whatever you want. I think I just named mine C_tutorial for you guys. You can change the default location where it saves everything, but other than that, you should be good to go. So you're going to click create. Wait a little bit for that to go. Yours might say first time, but that's okay. And then what you're going to want to do is right click on source files, add new item, and then you're going to want to add a C++ file. Now, before you click add, you're going to want to rename it to whatever you want to name it to. So I just did hello world, but you have to do .c. If you save it as a .c file, it'll work. If you just leave it as .cpp, it won't register as C. So you save it as a .c file. It opens up real quick. You see it in your editor. Now I just write a simple program here. If you #include studio.h, enter. This should all work. You shouldn't have to configure anything else here. Yeah, we'll do main, and then we'll write out our main method of hello world. Don't forget the semicolon. Okay. Yeah, you'll see there's a lot of like autocomplete stuff. So if you've never used like a fully fledged IDE before, you'll have a lot of that stuff. You can just ignore it for now. Don't worry about it. This is just for test anyway. So yeah, what you're going to want to do now is go to build and then compile. That'll compile your program. You see it's got a 1 for succeeded. So everything's good there. And you're going to click debug, and then you're going to do start without debugging. So you open up the little console window and it says hello world. So yeah, that should be at the end of the tutorial. I really hope that helped you guys out. I know it's kind of overwhelming to see all that workload stuff at the start, but let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching my video.